everyone, Heather Valentine here today, and we're going to do an unboxing of the Derwent Graphitint. I love getting happy mail. This is my happy mail for today. So as always with any of the Derwent products, colored pencils, color pencils, so forth, they come in a very, very nice durable tin. These are graphitints. This is a set of 12. They are basically, well, they are tinted water-soluble graphite pencils. And let's open these up. And like with all Derwent pencils, very nice feel to the pencil. These are like feather weight. I mean, there's hardly any weight to these at all. They come in some very unique colors, and this is a very unique set. Like I said, mine's a set of 12. They do have sets of 24. Price range for this is like $24, $25 at Dick Blick's. You can also get them at derwent.com. I believe the set of 24 is available on Amazon, but those price points for the set of 24 is like $50, $52, somewhere in there in the United States anyway. These are really, really unique pencils. They write like a pencil. This would be something comparable to the Derwent 4B sketching water-soluble pencil, okay? But these are tinted with color. So let's go ahead and show you. I have watercolor paper, N-Cart, and mixed media paper here. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab this one. This is Cloud Gray. And if you look at it, it has almost, I mean, it looks like a pen, it looks like an actual sketching pencil, I kid you not. It has a nice little sheen to it. So let's go ahead and put down some of this color. I'm using a light touch. This is watercolor paper, so there's going to be more texture to it. I'm just going to go ahead and go down my list of 12. This is Cool Gray. Looks pretty similar. I want to say the Cloud Gray is a little more on the warm side. This has a little more blue undertones to it. On the cooler side, they do feel like I kid you not, these do feel like a pencil. What is this? Midnight Black. Ooh. Kid in a candy store. I'm going to activate these with water. This is Storm. This might have a little purple base to it. Not sure yet. I'll know more when I activate it with water. Cocoa, obviously this is going to be more on the brown side. Oh, very heavily pigmented. And I'm using light to medium pressure, and there's no crumbling, no nothing. This is Cool Brown. I love getting happy mail. Chestnut. Looks very similar to the other brown we had. I imagine it'll look different when it's you know, wet. Ivy. Ooh, this is pretty. I could see a lot of vintage, maybe steampunk artwork, landscapes, you know, done with this. This is Slate Green. Oh, how pretty is that? I should have left a little more space in between. This is Dark Indigo. How awesome for the feel of that pencil, like you're sketching, that charcoal. Aubergine. Aberdeen. You have to forgive me with my MS. Words just come out. Names are bad. Everything is bad like that. So forgive me. Port. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Curious being that, you know, that charcoal base. No blending. No, nothing like this. So I just have my water. I do have a water brush here. I do like I like feeling the brush in the water. This is really one of my decorative brushes, my mermaid brushes. I couldn't resist. Got it from Hobby Lobby. This is not something that I actually, you know, paint with. I have a whole jars and jars and vases and jars full of brushes. But this is just so fun. In that kind of fun mood. Need decorations. So let's see. Wow. I'm gonna go ahead and clean off my brush between each one. Like I said, this is mixed media paper. This is your watercolor paper, so I can look at that. Could you imagine these on like a weather, you know, like your landscape with clouds and that? This is that black, that midnight black, I think was the name of it. How vintagey are these? I mean, this has to be one of the most unique products out there on the market from right now, especially from Derwent. This is, like I said, that did have a purplish base to it. Nice. Can see just a little bit of water and it's, look at that. Still going to go down and use it on the mixed media page. Whoop, got some kind of fuzz there. Let me do this again. Probably a Shih Tzu fur hair. Yep. Considering I have 3 of them, that would not be hard to believe that it would not be a Shih Tzu fur. Look at the color. I mean, check this out. Very little water, and look how long it's literally lasting. Excellent. Excellent, excellent. I think that's one of my favorite colors. Wow. Just when I said that, look at that blue or that green. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, this makes me want to get the set of 24 right now. Truly. How beautiful are these? You go, Derwent. I'm thrilled to pieces. That purple, as I said before, I'm a purple girl, and I'm sorry ugh, that purple is gorgeous. Look at this. Wow. Just out of curiosity, I'm gonna put on the watercolor paper. I'm dying to see. Okay. how they blend nice together. Look at that. Oh boy. Okay, these rock. These really, 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 really rock. Yeah, I am going to be so excited to create something with these. Wow, way to go. And like I said, I love the size of the barrel. I believe these are 3.8 millimeter core, but don't hold me to that. Durable, no crumbs, no nothing, no breakages, anything like that. The colors, look at, once again, this reminds me of the Derwent ink tints. When you have something, I mean, these are just tinted, and look at the colors. And then you go like to their Derwent ink tints, and as you lay them down, and once you activate them with water, the color just pops right there, and it's just magnificent. So once again, these are the Derwent Graphitint. This is a set of 12. Bravo, marvelous, really excited. Now that is what I'm talking about, is awesome happy mail.